Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to continue with linear equations in one variable, chapter 2, exercise 2.4. We'll continue with question 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. So let the granddaughter's age be X because we don't know what is her present age. Let the granddaughter's age at present be X. So what will her grandfather's age? It is 10 times. That means 10x. तो grandfather का age 10x होगा. Also it is given that his age is 54 years. Older than, he is also 54 years older than her. That means older than her यानी x plus 54 है. Correct? He is 54 years older than him. That means he is x plus 54. Now, grandfather is 10x and grandfather is x plus 54. So, grandfather का ही age है. We can equate these two. 10x is equal to x plus 54. वो 10x भी है और x plus 54 भी है. Correct? So, 10x is equal to x plus 54. 10x as it is LHS में. RHS में x है, we'll take it to LHS. Plus x will become minus x. So 10x plus 10x minus x is equal to 54. 10 minus 1 will be 9. Greater number sign plus 9 with variable 9x is equal to 54. x is equal to 54 upon 9. इसको हम लोग opposite side denominator में लेकर आए. तो x is equal to 54 by 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 6s are 54. तो x is equal to 6 years. Therefore, what is the granddaughter's age now? 6 years. Okay. So, her age is 6 years. Therefore, granddaughter's present age is 6 years. And grandfather's present age is what? 10x. That means 10 into 6. That is 60 years. Or you can say x plus 54. So, 6 plus 54 is also 60. Okay. So, grandfather's present age is 60 years. This completes question 9. Next question, 10th one. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. So, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. What will be his son's age? Present age will be x. Let the present age of Aman's son be x. Then Aman's age is what? 3 times यानी 3x. 10 years ago यानी x minus 10 होगा. तो सन का एज अगर अभी x है तो 10 years before it will be x minus 10, isn't it? तो 10 years ago son's age will be x minus 10. Aman's age will be what? 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. 5 times his son's age. That means 5 into x minus 10. 10 साल पहले वो 5 टाइम्स हिज सन्स एज था. तो 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 10 इज अमन्स एज. ओके. ऑल्सो अमन्स एज इज 10 years अगो क्या होगा? 10 years अगो इट विल बी 3x है. तो क्योंकि अभी वो 3x है ना, 3 टाइम्स x है. इसी को हम लोग माइनस करेंगे 10 से, क्योंकि वो 3x अभी है. तो 10 years पहले क्या होगा? 3x माइनस 10. पहले 3x माइनस 10 है 10 साल पहले. दूसरा क्या इंफॉर्मेशन कि 5 टाइम्स हिज सन्स एज दैट टाइम. तो x माइनस 10 तो उसके सन का एज था और वो तभी 5 टाइम्स उसके सन के एज के बराबर था. दैट मीन्स 3x माइनस 10 इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 10. इन दोनों को इक्वेट करेंगे तो वो अमन्स एज है. ओके. So 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 into x minus 10. 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 into x is 5x. Plus into minus is minus. 5 into 10 is 50. x को 5x को opposite side में लेकर जा सकते हैं या 3x को opposite side में. तो opposite side में इसलिए लेकर आते हैं because 5x को वहीं पे minus नहीं ले लेंगे. इसको minus कर सकते हैं because it's smaller than 5. So 5x as it is माइनस हो जाता है 3x. ये ऑपोजिट साइड में आते हैं तो 5x माइनस 3x हो गया. और ये क्या होगा, अगर ये ऑपोजिट साइड में गया तो प्लस 50 होगा और ये वैसे का वैसा है। तो 50 माइनस 10 इज इक्वल टू 5x माइनस 3x। 50 माइनस 10 इज इक्वल टू 5x माइनस 3x या 5x minus 3x is equal to 50 minus 10. It is one and the same. So 5x minus 3x, 5 minus 3 is operation subtraction का, 5 minus 3 is 2 with variable x, greater number sign. So plus 2x is equal to 50 minus 10, 50 minus 10, operation is of subtraction. 5 minus 1 is 4, 0 minus 0 is 0, तो 40 होगा, 50 minus 10 is 40. So 2x is equal to 40, x is equal to 40 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 20s are 40. So x is equal to 20. We got x is equal to 20. So let present age of Aman's son was x. This is what we had taken, isn't it? तो इसके जगह पे 10 होगा, 20 होगा, sorry, because x is 20. तो Aman's son's age is, present age 20 years है और Aman's age is what? Present age 3 into x means 3 into 20, that is 60 years. Therefore Aman's son's age is 20 years now. Aman's age is 60 years. Okay, this completes exercise 2.4. Thank you so much.